has been a role model for business. He's put in more than 50 years with GSM. Jim and Connie have raised their children. They've weathered the ebbs and flows of life, and I'm sure there were plenty. They've done a great job raising their kids. Now they're helping raise their grandkids, and they've showed me how to live out their Christian faith, serving Jesus, and all the while supporting each other, the family, and the business.
What I learned from Jim is that a job can be so much more than a paycheck. Jim has always been encouraging, patient, kind, and it allowed me to move up through the organization. I hope Jim enjoys his retirement. It's well-deserved, and I thank you for your leadership through the years.
I've been asked to talk about John Gooding. Dick Daggett and Jane went on a cruise, and Dick posed for a risque shot. And when he came back, he shared those photographs with all of us, and he accidentally left that one in. John spied it, and he took the negative and he had it developed. And he actually presented Dick with that photograph enlarged at a Christmas party. So that was kind of amusing. I'm sure for the rest of us, maybe not for Dick.
Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for allowing me to be part of the GSM family for 45 years. Not only did the Gooding and the Towers family provide a career for myself, but also for my late father, Wally, and my two brothers, Ron and Dunn, who are now retired, and each of them had a wonderful journey at GSM. Jim, you should be proud of the great company you built, proud that GSM has so many long-term dedicated employees that truly enjoy working for the Gooding and the Towers family. On behalf of the Boozer family, thank you not only to you, but to your entire family. And one more thing to say, Jim, go Birds.
Okay, I just want to say thank you to Jim for giving me an opportunity at a very young age. Learned a lot from you, Jim. You were a great mentor in business and in life. And one of the things that always sticks with me is the KISS concept, where keep it simple, stupid, or keep it simple, straightforward, as I like to say. So again, thank you, Jim. Appreciate you. Appreciate everything you did for me as well as everyone else.
Yeah, the best memory of Jim is just that he was a bit of a father figure when it came to business. The most important thing I believe I learned from Jim was that the devil is in the details. And if I had $1 for every time he said that, I'd have a beachfront property in Florida.
I started here, I was 16 actually when I started here. Jim Thomas took over Max's position in the sheet metal department. There was a really brilliant guy. He was good with his hands at home. I really miss it.
Hello, I'm Bob Burkholder, and I'm here to speak about two individuals that I've known for many years, John Gooding and Jim Towers. In many ways, I thought I was a bridge between John and Jim. Their style of conducting business was different, but those differences never allowed to impede success or growth. Creating a workplace where we could have fun and laughter and enjoy each other's company, at the same time coming to the aid of workers and families in times of crisis. Congratulations, John and Jim, for your leadership, giving me an opportunity that one could only dream about. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on behalf of John and Jim. Best wishes in the coming years to the GSM companies and their employees. God bless.